I gotta go. EJ the World Traveler teaches you ABCs in Igbo. So A is for B is for bolo. Bolo. Chi is for Chukwu. Chukwu. D is for Kusiokuike. Dalo. E is for Enwe. Enwe. So you say Nwe. Nwe. Can you say Nwe? Nwe. Fi is for Ficha. Fi is for Ficha. G is for Go. 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 We is for Ba. Ba. He is for Ota. Ota. Gui is for Gua. Gua. He is for Ho. Ho. Ihuria. E is for Ite. Ite. So that, but we say E instead of I, it's E. Like Ijoma. Good one. Ijoma doesn't start with an E. It starts with a what? I. So in Igbo, we say E for I in English. Okay? Iko. E is for Iko. Iko. J is for G. J is for Kedu. We all know that one. B is for Babando. Babando. Qui is for Kusi. Le is for Le. Me is for Miri. Ne is for Nkita. Ngo. E is for Ngo. Not Noah. Ngo. Ngo Millie. Ngwe is for Wata. Nye is for Nye. Akuko. Adama, do gimana? Akuko. Okay. P is for Papa. Re is for Rie. C is for Soro. She is for Shh. That's universal. T is for Twa. U is for Udu. O is for Ola. V is for Votu. We is for Were. Yi is for Ya. Z is for Zota. So those are ABCs in Igbo. Let's say the whole alphabet together. And you have to understand that, like, there's some letters in English that's not the same in Igbo, right? Like we said about the I, also about the chi. C. I told you guys about this before, but C is not C in Igbo. It's che. Che, like chuku.
Because it's CH.
Exactly. All right.
Yeah, it's a special thing.
Let's repeat after mommy, okay? A. Be. Che. De. E. Fe. Ge. We. He. Gwe. He. E. J. Ke. Be. Que. Le. Me. Ne. We. Nye. What part na your aba? O. P. Re. Se. She. Te. O. Ve. We. Ye. Ze. Great job. job. Now let's see. Okay, so I never check out